Good morning, student. I am Bhavnesh Sharma. Today we have discussing about a transformer. Transformer is a static device which transfer the electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit without change in a frequency. The word of transformer comes from transform. Transformer not a energy conversion device but a device that change AC electrical power one voltage level to another voltage level. It can be either to step up or step down. Working of transformer. Transformer working principle is a electromagnetic induction. Mutual induction is based. The main principle of operation of a transformer is mutual inductance between two circuits, which is linked by a common magnetic field, as shown in a figure. There is a primary winding and secondary winding, and these are the laminated core, and phi is the flux. Show the above figure. The transformer has a primary and secondary winding. The core laminated R joint is the from strip. In between the strip you can see that there are some narrow gap right through the cross section of the core. These straight joints are said to imbricated. Both the coil have high mutual inductance, means the primary winding is connected always to supply and secondary winding is connected to the load, and the core is provide the low reluctance path for magnetic flux. Transformer construction. For the simple construction of a transformer, you must need two coils having mutual inductance and laminated steel core. The steel core are provide low reluctance path. The two coils are insulated from each other from the source in order of insulated to bring out the terminal of winding from the tank brushes that are made from either porcelain or capacitor types comes. Classification of transformer. As per phase, single phase and three phase. As per core, core type and shell type. As per cooling system, self cooled, air cooled or oil cooled. Core type transformer. In core type transformer, the winding are given to a considered part of the core. The coil used for the transformer are formed wound and are the cylindrical type. Such a type of transformer can applicable for small size and large size transformer. In a small size, the core will be rectangle shape and coil are used are cylindrical. The figure is a core type transformer. Cell type transformer. In a cell type transformer, the core around the considerable portion of the winding. The comparison is shown in a figure. That figure is a core type cell type transformer. Single phase transformer, only primary winding is connected to the single phase AC supply, that is called, where V1 is a primary voltage we have applied to the supply AC supply. Even in induced EMF, E2 induced EMF in secondary winding. V2 is voltage across a load. I2 is current in a secondary winding. I1 is a in case of ideal transformer. Ideal transformer is a transformer which has no loss, means the coil are highly purely inductive coil, no ohmic losses, no magnetic leakage, and there are no I square R losses. It is impossible to realize such as a transformer in a practice, yet the approximate the characteristic of ideal transformer will be used in characteristic of a practical transformer. Transformer efficiency. The efficiency equals to is the ratio of output power upon input power, P out upon P input. That we have derivation, some derivation you have seen. This derivation we occur from the output voltage power output P equals to VI cos theta, and PC is the power. Copper losses, PCU, P core losses. If half load, hence n equals to half 154 load 90% of full load at 0.9. Transformer losses. Basically transformer losses are iron losses, copper losses. Thank you.